Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. I've been seeing a bunch of these little gnomes. Yes, I know that they're pronounced gnome, but I like saying gnome because it's more fun to say. Coming through my feed in the last little while. Little turned gnomes with little hats and furry beards on them. So I decided that I've got a bunch of this scrap, used to be the top of a table, maple, that I've 8-quarter-ish, square-ish chunks of maple that I've got sitting around, and I've got some 8-quarter pieces of oak scrap laying around. And last time wife was at the store, I'd been seeing these gnomes, and I thought I'd give them a shot, so I got her to pick me up some fake fur for the beards, and we're gonna give it a go today and see if I can make some little gnomes. Maybe one. Maybe I'll start with one gnome. But I will leave a link in the description to Rebecca DeGroot's page. She's one of the many people I've seen making these things, and she's super fun. So go check hers out if you want to see somebody who knows what they're doing. And if you want to see somebody who does not know what they're doing, stick around and watch me try to do this. So, it's Gnome Day. Maybe. We'll see. Yeah, come along, see what happens. I made gnomes. Look at the gnomes. They make me laugh. and so I took them inside. I took two of them inside, and I showed my kid, and I said, "Oh, look." And I thought he was going to go like, "Oh, those are neat," or something. And he just looked at them and he said, "What are those?" And I said, "They're gnomes." And he said, "It's pronounced gnomes. And why did you make those?" And I said, so I did tell him. I told him, you don't always need a reason to make something. Like, you don't. I don't need gnomes. I certainly can't sell them for what it would be worth financially for me to make them in terms of time allotment. But I wanted to make gnomes, so I did. That's all the reason in the world that you need to make something, is because you want to. And they make me laugh. Gnomes. I like this guy, the little top hat guy. I think he's in charge. I think the top hat guy is in charge. His name is Frank. Frank the Gnome, who is in charge of the other gnomes. And and they make me laugh. All right, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. See you next time. Oh.